We're on Rocky Knob Trail,
Rocky Knob Trail.
and are we still in Michaux?
Yes.
Michaux State Forest,
I'm pretty
Pennsylvania.
sure, yes.
Oh, what was that?
Probably a squirrel down there.
This is a really nice
There.
trail. This is a new trail that we're exploring today. The weather's great,
Yeah.
just a breeze, and it's probably 60 some.
Probably 60 in here, maybe 63,
Mhm.
65. Yeah.
Yep, we're having a great day so far.
Yep.
So, here we go. We had some cars follow us up. One car we thought were going to be on our specific trail with us, but luckily they stopped and must be on a different trail, so that's good. It's always really cool to have a trail to yourself.
Well, when I ejected that big smoke bomb from the back of my car, they decided not to follow us.
Is that what it was?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's like a Batmobile thing.
Oh,
You know? You didn't notice that?
I didn't.
Oh, beauty.
That must have been some new, something new you just put on your car because.
Oh, no, it's standard on all the Honda Civics.
Oh, okay. I wonder when Nissan's going to do that. Maybe I can get an aftermarket bomber. So you think this will work? We were just thinking about a marshmallow and fire right here. And I thought, I don't know, vegan marshmallow.
It's a vegan marshmallow.
Yeah. What do you think, Scout?
She's not impressed.
Well, we came across this cool little area here.
Yeah. That's like the perfect spot for a tent right there. It's so flat and soft.
Perfect spot for a tent,
Yeah.
she said.
This is nice.
I like your shirt.
Oh. Contradict. They can't all be right.
They can't, can they?
Nope.
So it's beautiful still. Someone just charred that log. What's that about?
Well, I think they had it stuck in the fire.
Why'd they take it out, I wonder?
I don't know. Maybe they were leaving.
I guess. Look.
I know.
What are you looking at? Is there something
So
under the
many
log?
smells. Be a dog. Have your whole life revolve around smells.
All right, well, on we go. Onward. Over here's the
Back out,
trail.
yeah.
We just stepped off. Patty found a cute little cave, she said. I don't think I'm going up there. Just be careful.
That is so cool. And there's another one there. Come on. Come on down.
Listen to that wind.
That is cool. That's really neat. This way, Seth. Here's the trail.
I think it's here, isn't it? Or,
No, it's down below.
oh, it's down here.
It's down further.
That's right. We walked up here.
Popcorn ceiling.
Popcorn ceiling tree.
Yeah, that's what it looks like.
I always wondered where they got that stuff.
Yeah.
No wonder it's a thing of the past.
Yeah.
You have to come all the way up here to get the stuff. It's very rare. The popcorn ceiling. It comes in green. They have to dye it white. How about it?
Yeah, I think these are blueberries.
Really?
I think these are the little flowers. It looks like a little blueberry bush.
I don't know what they look like actually.
See, I think that's going to turn into the blueberries. I'm pretty sure. I have to Google it to make sure, but I think this is a blueberry.
If that's the case, there's a lot of it up here, isn't it? We are on the very top of the mountain,
Yeah.
I think, because
Yeah, pretty much.
it was some very steep, rocky
Yeah.
inclines, really challenging, and
But we're still standing upright.
still a nice day. It's getting warmer. All right, sign off for now. At this point, we had about 1.5 miles left, and we finished our hike. We decided it was one of our favorites so far. That's a little lean-to that you were looking at there, as I've inserted some different pictures from along the hike. I hope you're enjoying this, and join us for our next hike. And thank you for watching. Like and subscribe and share this if you'd like to.